What if I told you that every second breath you take may not come from trees at all? In fact, the real oxygen heroes of our planet are so tiny that millions of them can fit on the head of a pin. When we think about oxygen, most of us imagine vast forests and giant trees. That's why places like the Amazon rainforest are often called the lungs of the earth. But science tells a different story. Around 50% to 80% of the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere is actually produced by the oceans. And the organisms responsible are so small that you can't see them with your naked eye. They're called phytoplankton. These microscopic organisms float near the ocean's surface and act just like plants on land. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, they perform photosynthesis and release oxygen as a byproduct. Now here's where things get really incredible. One species of microscopic bacteria, called Prochlorococcus, is so tiny that about 1 million of them could fit on the head of a pin. Yet despite its tiny size, this organism alone produces up to 20% of all the oxygen on Earth. Think about that. A creature invisible to the human eye is responsible for roughly 1 out of every 5 breaths you take. So what about trees? Are they not important? Of course they are. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, regulate climate, prevent soil erosion, support wildlife, and help stabilize Earth's ecosystems. So, the real oxygen factories of our planet aren't towering trees. They're tiny ocean organisms silently working every day beneath the waves.